What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you can't tell what I'm wearing here and what's behind me, yes, we are painting the outside of the hood today. We're going to use a custom coat bed liner. It's a little bit different color than I've seen most people use, so we'll see how it turns out. So first thing we got to do is wipe this down with the wax and grease remover, and then I'm actually going to flip it over and tape it up so I don't get any underspray on the bottom of the hood that I've already actually sprayed with some high temp paint. And so let's get at it. So it is actually a different day now. By the time we ended up spraying that all off and trying to set everything up, we had a storm roll through and, well, we can't spray then. So temperature seems to be about right now. It's a little higher than 68, which is the recommended, but it should do fine. The humidity is just fine on it. So we're gonna get this thing wiped back down and ready for this paint, and then I'll mix up the paint and we'll get to spraying. Alright guys, we gotta hit a little bit more spots that I could still see through a little bit, and then we're gonna do just a texture coat over the whole thing. So we're gonna let that dry for about an hour, then we're gonna come back and actually remove all the tape so that it doesn't harden up quite all the way. I realized I didn't tell y'all a whole lot about this product. This is a custom coat tintable bed liner. So it comes in 3 containers basically. This is the product. It comes with a hardener and your tint as well. The product comes in 18 fluid ounces, the hardener 7, and the tint is 3 ounces. So basically it's a 3-to-1 mixture, and your product and your tint go together for 21 fluid ounces and 7 ounces of your hardener. And then you just mix it all up in this can. There's actually room in the can to mix it, and there's actually a fill line. It shows you up at the top. Once you reach that line, you just shake it for 2 minutes, attach it to the gun, it screws right on, and spray it. So it's getting a little bit dark now, but I just wanted to show y'all guys what it looked like after I removed the tape off of here. And I really like this color. It is called a gray green, but whenever the sun hits it, whenever we had the sunset here, it actually kind of almost changes colors. Now we are gonna let this dry for a few days. I'll put it in a safe place that's covered. And then after that, we will add back on all the lights and accessories on it, and I'll show y'all how it looks. So as that liner was drying, I went ahead and took the wiring harness and cleaned it up. I painted the mesh that's behind the grill, and then I also made a new back seal to the hood. It's taken me a little bit longer to make these videos because of everything that's going on right now, getting parts, getting stuff. But we finally got it back together. I think it looks pretty good, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Toss the Wrench, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment. I'm trying to put these episodes out regularly, but I'm trying not to bore y'all with some of the small stuff on this. If you want to see me go into more detail on some parts of this, please let me know. And as always, guys, y'all have a good one.